Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Shiny. So this video is yet another picture idea video but with a little twist. So as I said in my previous video that this time is the best time to shop online as this is the festival season and there is a lot of sales going on everywhere. So I got myself 5 items from Ajio, which is currently one of my favorite apps for so many reasons. I am currently obsessed with Ajio for their product quality. They are 100% authentic and the price ranges, like if you are tight on a budget, they have a huge amount of varieties for you. But if you want like something luxurious, they have a huge amount of varieties for you as well. So in this video I am going to share with you guys what I got from Ajio, and like it's a little haul but not haul because I got only 5 items to particularly click these pictures which I am going to share with you guys in this video. So अगर haul करती तो एक video में only 5 items को लेके क्या ही haul कर लेती. So I thought like haul भी हो जाएगा and also उसके साथ picture ideas भी एक साथ कर दूँगी. So let's get into the video, but before that, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed, so please follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start with the first item that I got from Ajio. It's this sheer sleeve turtleneck top. This is what the top looks like. The sleeves of the top is a little puffy and I really wanted something like this, like a sheer sleeve also which has this puffy kind of a thing. And you know, puffy sleeves are really trending right now, so yeah. So the actual price of the product was 1399 rupees, but 75% off tha, so I got it in 350 rupees. Like this top is just for 350 rupees. Like 350 rupees में आपको this quality का top मिल रहा है. Let's click the picture with this top. So as my backdrop I am using a sari and I am going to sit right here and I will keep my phone right here. Now posing like this, just do something with your hands like this to show the puffy sleeves, because the puffy sleeves are the main focus or the main subject of the picture. And yeah, these are the results. So for the next picture idea, I got myself a flare skirt. It also has this tie-up thing right here, so you can adjust the size according to you. And I love the skirt so much. So I really wanted something, you know, flowy and dark colored skirt, which is great for the picture idea. And this also has this ruffle kind of thing, and the price of the product was 999 but 50% discount tha, so I got this in 500 rupees. So yeah, let's click the picture with this skirt. So for this one you will need some flowers. I am using these marigold flowers because these colors will perfectly go along with the color of my skirt, and I'm gonna keep my phone right here ulta karke, and also kuch petals alag karke rakhi hui hu. Let me show you why. So I have mixed the yellow and orange petals and keeping them very close to the camera, so it is creating a nice effect. Now you just have to pose like this, and yeah. And these are the results. So the next item I got is this strappy lemon printed A-line dress. I love wearing A-line dress and you know I'm currently obsessed with yellows. I found this dress so cute. मुझे लगा ही नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा product quality आएगा. I'm so happy. The material is so comfortable, like so comfortable. When I saw this dress on their app, I was in love and I was like, you know what, I have to get this. And जब मुझे ये receive हुआ, I was in love with this even more because of the print, the product quality and the everything. I love everything about this dress. Also यहाँ पे एक बटन भी दिया हुआ है. The price of the dress was ओके अभी यहाँ पे प्राइस 711 दिखा रहा है, बट व्हेन आई गॉट दिस ड्रेस इट वाज अबाउट फॉर 639 और समथिंग लाइक दिस. व्हाट आई लव अबाउट आजियो इज इट रेगुलरली गिव्स यू कूपन कोड्स एंड डिस्काउंट. सो प्राइस रेंज जो है वो फ्लैक्चुएट होते रहते हैं. सो व्हाट आई डू, मुझे जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट लेना होता है और कोई प्रोडक्ट पसंद होता है, मैं उस प्रोडक्ट को ऐड टू कार्ट कर लेती हूँ एंड देन आई कीप चेकिंग रेगुलरली एंड व्हेनेवर आई feel like I am getting the best price, I'll place my order. So yeah, this is how I get this product in 639 rupees. So you have to keep checking the product you are planning to buy to get the best deal. Also Ajio provides coupon codes like regularly, so you can check those also. So yeah, let's click the picture with this dress. So for the next picture idea you will need 2 big leaves and I am keeping my phone in this angle and now you just have to hold the one leaf नीचे close to the camera ऐसे करके and another leaf को ऐसे ऊपर से hold करना होगा. Just see the pictures and you will get the idea that what you have to do. The next item is super cute floral printed strappy red top and I found it really cute and इसका एक yellow variant भी है. So yeah, but I really wanted to get this red one because picture idea के लिए मैं खरीद रही थी and the picture I planned उसके साथ मुझे इसकी ही ज़रूरत थी. So yeah, I got this one. It has this knot thing right here. You can open this up. पीछे यहाँ पे स्ट्रेचेबल है. इट विल एडजस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बॉडी एंड यहाँ पे सामने यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा कपड़ा भी दिया हुआ है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द सामने का थिंग. सो या ओके, सो द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट वाज 599 विद द डिस्काउंट, बट आई थिंक ये भी मुझे बहुत कम में मिली थी. It was about for like 400 something. I exactly don't remember. It doesn't look cheap at all. The price you are paying, it's up to that. So yeah, this is what I got for the next picture ideas. So let's click the next picture. For this one you will need some agarbatti and as my backdrop I am using these 2 sarees. Just hang them like this and I am going to sit right here and I will keep my phone right here and now just posing like this. Also I have used this, I don't know what it's called, but it's also kind of a agarbatti. So I kept this in front of the camera so that it gave the smoky effect to the picture just like I wanted. I have wore a white jamdani with the top and created this Bengali look because I am a Bengali and I really wanted to click something related to the Bengali traditional look and I am absolutely in love with the results so much. It turned out just like I had planned. So Ajio has a huge collection of and huge varieties of graphic t-shirt which is really trending right now, I guess. So you can definitely check those out. I was also planning to buy some graphic t-shirts because they were so cheap. It was starting 150, like 150 से starting है and you are getting so many beautiful graphic t-shirts. So I have wishlisted some graphic t-shirts and also some basic t-shirts. So I will be also linking some in the description box, so you can definitely go and check those out. And also Ajio has a varieties of ethnic wear and they are starting from 200 rupees only. So I will be also linking some ethnic wears in the description box down below जो भी मैंने wishlist की है, so you can definitely check them out too. So the last item I got is this palazzo pants. It also has this tie-up thing in the front, so you can also adjust this one and it's a wide leg pant like you can see and the material is again so comfortable, doesn't feel cheap at all and it's worth the money. So yeah, this is what I got for the next picture idea and the price of the palazzo is 486 rupees. Again इसका actual price है 799, but yeah, it was on discount, so I got this in 486 rupees. By the way, I have mentioned all the product links in the description box down below, so if you want to buy any of the items, you can check the description box. Also, Ajio has easy return policy, so if you want to exchange or return any of the item, you can just simply do it. So let's take the picture with this pant. So for this one, I just simply kept my phone on the floor, making this angle and trying out some poses like this. Also, I have added a hat, just trying to flaunt the beauty of the wide leg pant. And now I am keeping my phone on a chair and trying out different poses. And these are the results. The bird is also real, guys, it's not edited, and I love the final results. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed watching and if it was helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are recreating any of the pictures, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram feed and this is my Instagram handle. Don't forget to follow me there, and yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.